All right, guys, there's a report of a commercial fire here. I don't know that I smell anything, but I heard a loud boom. I thought it was fireworks. And then all of a sudden, Post Point notified us of a commercial fire. Oh yeah, you can smell it. And all these fire trucks showed up. Yeah, you can smell it. That's what that boom was, huh? An explosion of some kind. Yes, sir. So we're gonna come up here and see what's going on. I don't know if the fire's in the back or what. There was a loud boom, like an explosion. And everybody's recording down that way, so I wonder what it is. These guys are going up here. So I heard a loud explosion though. Whoa. Yeah, you can smell it back here. Oh, is it a dumpster fire? I wonder if something blew up. That's probably what it was. So it's back here somewhere. I wonder if it was a firework or something. Yeah, there was a loud boom, and then this guy took off through the parking lot in his truck. I don't know if they're related or not. But they've got a lot of fire trucks out here, dude. So I'm wondering if maybe but I don't see any flames. Doesn't look like they're combating any fires. But this guy, this is security guard over here. He's watching me with my camera. I believe that's a security guard. So, well, yeah, it has to be. He's all decked out, looking like a Crash team member from Crash or Smash. I don't think there's anything to see here.